Welcome to English 101. I just want to show you something, and that is how to use the modules. This is something I've noticed is important, and I don't always assume that you know this already. Modules should be gone through page by page from top to bottom. These these pages here are instructional only. They don't have assignments attached to them. The ones that are indented and have the different icons down here, those are assignments and they will show up on your to-do list. But if you only use your to-do list and you don't go through the modules one by one, you'll miss important information, which will be confusing to both you and me. It'll be confusing to you because you won't get some instruction that I'll assume you have had, and it'll be confusing to me because I'll assume you've had the instruction and you may not have. So that's sort of my important first announcement, and I look forward to seeing you hopefully over in the makerspace. I have a ton of office hours, as you will notice on the syllabus, because I am opening the Innovation Center, which is MJC's new makerspace over on West Campus. So I'll be there Monday through Thursday, 10:30 to 2:30. So anytime you want to come by during those hours, you will find me there. Otherwise, I can Zoom with you if you'd like, if you don't make it over to West Campus. All right, take care. See you soon.